Already we have completed one lesson, first lesson. Is it? I have started second lesson. You know that. Is it? What is the lesson name? Are you remember or forgot, children? Yes. What is the lesson name? Adaptation in plants. This is the second lesson. See, in the previous class, we have discussed about, see, different plants can live in different areas, different climate or different areas. Why? Why? Because adaptation. Why? Because adaptation. What is the adaptation? Already I told you what is the adaptation. Adaptation is what is this? Adaptation is any change in the structure, or function of a plant or animal by which it becomes better suited to survive in its habitat. They have given in your textbook. What is the adaptation? Yes, adaptation is special features developed by the adaptation is special features developed by plant or an animal, plants or an animals live in a particular place or habitat. See, adaptation is special features developed by plants or and animals live in a particular place or habitat is called called adaptation. So, different plants can live in different areas or different places. Okay. What is the habitat? Habitat means the home. Natural home of the plants or animals. Is it natural home or environment? See, according to their habitat, we have classified two types of plants. Is it? Two types. According to their habitat, we have classified two types. One is aquatic plant. Aquatic plants. Second one is terrestrial plants. In the last class, we have seen what is the aquatic plants or what are the aquatic plants. Is it, children? In the last class, we have seen or we discussed. What is the aquatic plants? Aquatic plants means plants that grow in a water. The plants which grow in a water. Plants that grow in a water are called aquatic plant. We can see three types of aquatic plants. Is it, children? There are three types of aquatic plants. Okay, what is the terrestrial plant? I will discussing in next class. Okay, I will tell you what is the aquatic plants. Now I will tell you what is the aquatic plant. Can I rub these, children? Second one, terrestrial plant. Yes. See, there are three types of aquatic plants. Three types. Three types of aquatic plants. One is floating plants. One is floating plants. What is the floating plant? Already I taught you. Is it? I taught what is the floating plant. Second one is fixed plant. And third one is underwater plant. Underwater plants. There are three types of aquatic plants. One is floating plant, second one is fixed plants, and third one is underwater plants. Okay, let us discuss one by one. Aquatic plant. Sorry, floating plants. Floating plants. What is the floating plant? You know that. Is it, children? Floating plants. The plants that float on surface of the water. Surface of the water. Plants that float surface of the water and move along with the move along with the flow of water. Flow of water are called floating plants. Are called the plants that float on surface of the water and move along with the water. It can move along with the water, along with the flow of water. It cannot fix it in one place. It can move. This flow of the water is called floating plant. Floating plants have special features. All plants have different features or different adaptation. Is it to live? Floating plants also have different features. Okay. Features are adaptation. Features are adaptation. Features of adaptation. Floating plants have spongy body with hollow spaces filled with the air. Floating plants have body. Spongy body. Spongy body with hollow spaces. With hollow spaces. Hollow spaces filled with the air. The spaces filled with the air. It has light and spongy. Why it is light and spongy, children? It is not heavy. If it is heavy means we cannot move. Or we cannot move flow of the water. And it cannot float. Is it? It is a it has very spongy body and hollow spaces filled with the air. So it can move follow of the water. Is it? And second one is the root system of floating plant. It is not fixed to the soil. It is not fixed to the soil or fixed to the bottom of the water body. It is not fixed. The which one? Floating plants. It is not fixed to the bottom of the water body. If it is fixed means it cannot move, no children. So it is not fixed. It is not fixed at the bottom of the water body. Different plants have a different features. Is it? Root system of the floating plants is not fixed. Is not fixed. Not fixed. Fixed to the bottom of the water body. Fixed to the bottom of the water body. It means not fixed means it not grow at the end of the soil. At the bottom of the soil. Is it? It is not this root system of the floating plant is not fixed to the bottom of the water body. Third one is the leaves of floating plants. The leaves of floating plants have stomata upper surface. Upper surface. You know that all green plants have stomata. Why need that stomata? Why plants need stomata? How does plant breathe? Plant breathe through their teeny pores is called stomata. You know, all green plants have stomata because to breathe. Is it? To breathe. It is help them to breathe. Is it? In the floating plants have stomata, but it is upper surface of the leaves. It is help them to easy for exchanging gases. It is help them to easy for exchanging gases. These are the third one, floating surface, upper surface of the leaves, upper surface of the leaves for easy exchanging gases. Exchange the gases. Gases. Easy to exchange the gases. Okay. It has stomata, but it is the upper surface of the leaves. So it is easy to exchange the gases. If it is in under surface of the leaves means it is not. It is easy to exchange the gases. So these are the features that floating plants have. Is it? Floating plants have these features are adaptation. Okay. Second one is fixed plant. Second one is fixed plant. Fixed plants. Fixed plant means what, children? Fixed. Fixed plant means plants that float on surface of the water. Plants that float on surface of the water, but don't move along with the flow of water. The plant float on surface of the water. It's like this one floating plants, but it is do not move. It is does not move flow of the water. It does not move flow of the water. So plants that float on surface of the water, but do not move along with flow of water. It can float, but it cannot move. It cannot move. It does not move along with the flow of water. Why? Because it is fixed. Is it? This is the fixed plant. What is the features? What are the features does have the fixed plant? See, features of the fixed plant. Features or adaptation. Features or adaptation. First one is the root system of the fixed plant to the soil, fixed to the soil at the bottom of the water body. The root system of these plants means fixed plant fixed to the soil at the bottom of the water body. It has fixed. They have fixed to the bottom of the water body. So it cannot move. It do not move along with the water. If it is not fixed means It can move along with the water. It is fixed with it is fixed at bottom of the water body. So adaptation or features. First one is the root system is the root system of fixed plant fixed plants is is fixed to the soil, fixed to the soil at the bottom of water body, bottom of water body. It has fixed to the soil or water body. So it is not move. It's not move. But floating plants can move along with the flow of water, but it do not move along with the flow of water because it is fixed at the soil. Is it? Second one is the leaves have stomata on upper surface for exchange gases. This also have stomata. These plants also have stomata upper surface of leaves because exchange of gases. The leaves have stomata upper surface to upper surface to exchange of the gases. Exchange gases. Exchange gases. The leaves have long and slender stalk. The leaves have long. It is very long. Is it? The leaves of fixed plant have very long and slender. Slender means thin. Slender means thin stalk. Thin means stalk means stem. It has thin stem and long leaves. The fixed plants have thin stem and long leaves. It has thin stem and long leaves. The leaves have long. The leaves have long and slender stalk. Slender stalk. The fixed plants have long leaves. Fixed plants have long leaves and thin stem. Stem. Fourth one is the leaves have, fifth one is the leaves also have waxy surface. The leaves also have waxy surface from which water slides off. slides off. Waxy surface means this look like candle. Means if put the water on that leaves, it cannot stay there. It will fall down. Why? This keeps the leaves dry and protects them from decay. Protect from the spoil. If water is on the surface of the leaves, means it will be spoiled. Is it? If they have waxy leaves means it cannot stay on the water. It cannot stay water on the leaves. So it protect them to spoil. Is it? The leaves also have waxy. The leaves also have waxy surface from which water slides off. It keeps the leaves dry and protect them from decay or spoil. Dry and protect them from decay. Okay, these are the adaptation or features fixed plants have. Is it? Fixed plants have these features. Can you understand, children? Yes. Good. Okay. I will continue in the next class. Thank you, children.